Hi, let's take a look at the economic event of the last 24 hours. The British Prime Minister Theresa May said at the British Parliament yesterday that she will put forward the Brexit agreement, including any changes she has agreed with the EU, to a vote by the 12th of March. If the changes got voted down, she will then forward suggestion for a hard Brexit. If this also got voted down, she will forward a postpone of the deadline for the UK to leave the EU. To postpone the deadline of leaving the EU will need the approval of all the EU countries. The Federal Housing Finance Agency released yesterday the statistic for the US house prices. House prices rose by 5.7% from the fourth quarter of 2017 to the fourth quarter of 2018. The rising price rate has thus slowed down through 2018. The growth rate peaked in February 2018 when the price rose by 7.7%. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index shows a slowdown in price growth for the major metropolitan area. The growth was positive from November to December 2018. United States housing starts fell sharply in December, down by 11.2%, though the building permit is still rising in November and December. The expected housing market condition for the next 6 months has declined, according to the NAHB statistics. The US consumer confidence has increased in February after several months of decline. The index rose by 9.7% to 131.7. The market was expecting 124.9. Consumers' assessment of current economic conditions rose by 3.3%, while the assessments for the next 6 months rose by 14 points. The rise might be due to the positive movements in the stock markets and the development of the risk for the government shutdown in December and January. The Fed's signals about less contractionary monetary policy also helped in boosting the confidence. The Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said at the Senate Banking Committee yesterday that the Fed will be patient about rate hike. He still sees a solid economic growth, but mentioned the rise in downside risk and weak economic indicators. And that's it for this video. Check the video description for more details. Thank you for watching.